Hi YouTube. Uh, everything changes. Everything changes. Julia Jacklin's got a new song out, Everything Changes. And she often plays with the capo, so I'm just going to post this as how to play it in standard tuning. And then if I find out how she plays it, and if she's using a capo, we'll post the second lesson. You could play it like this. This would be the most bare bones way to play it. You're using a D shape at the 7th and 8th frets. Then you're using an F shape at the 5th and 6th frets, but you're only playing strings 1, 2, and 3. So just your G, B, E. So that's the bare bones of the song. You could get away, especially if you have a bass or keyboards accompanying you, you could get away with playing this. But we're gonna try to figure out how they're playing it on the record. I'm gonna use some bar chords, but then I'll try to show you some alternative ways to play it without bar chords. I'm playing a B minor. I'm going to an F sharp minor. On the way, I'm playing some open strings. I'm playing the open G and B, maybe the D string you could throw in there. Any of those three, any combination will work. That's the first part of the main riff. This is a simplified way to play it. Instead of playing a B minor, we're going to play a D. It's going to be our substitute. And we're going to play those open strings. And then what we're going to do is use the inside like edge of our finger. We're going to kind of tilt it towards the fretboard. We're going to play the first 4 strings with this finger bar. And then, if you can, get in the habit of using your second finger at the 3rd fret on the B string. You can play the whole song just like this. Just a bare bones arrangement. So D is our substitute for B minor. And then this bar is just simply an F sharp minor, but we're just playing strings 4 through 1. All right, now let's remember though we get the G in there. So the open strings. So we could go D, D, G, F sharp minor. Then it goes back to the D. But they play a little turnaround riff. That's the riff. They're barring, or at least to play it this way, you have to bar the first 4 strings on the 2nd fret, hammer on to the 3rd fret on the B string twice, then hit like your D or your A, either one will work. I like to hit the D, but you have to bar it in order for it to sound right. That's kind of how they're playing it on the recording. change. And then they finish up on the B minor, or if you're using the D as a substitute, you'd finish up on the D. Right, but very Linda Ronstadt, Fleetwood Mac, kind of 70s, Eagles, kind of that sound, that kind of vibe on this song. So hopefully that will help you, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.